We're doing some run-in follow cams at O2 Surftown Muck. We have Victoria, longboarder chick from France, absolutely ripping. It's her first time surfing here. She's got it completely figured out already. We got a little runway. Oh my yes! Holy! I think I just got the most dreamy clip of my life. Follow cams with Victoria. This is a never been done before, I don't think. Oh.
Sun is hot today. We're melting out here.
Couple guys trying to skim a perfect wave.
It's a scorcher out here. Girls have priority today, so Gary and I are just picking off the scraps.
And getting sunburned.
We're poolside in our cabanas.
We just gotta hang out poolside.
Gary, you can't film upside down and then film straight side up.
Skylar's got skills. She can handle this.
Thank you for making our job super easy. Moment of truth, Gare Bear.
You skimboard your whole life and it all comes down to one moment and you just blow it. Perfect.
Stop talking to yourself. We are about to go.
Dude, I'm vlogging.
Try to go early, okay?
Go.
No, I can't go right now.
Whoa, look at how big, wait, that was it. Go, Gary. Go. No. Oh my God. Whoa. That was sick. Endless surf. Best skim pool wave ever. Probably said it 20 times now. But that is absurd. Oh yeah. Yeah, Gary. Get the buddy. got in there. Super sick.
Hard days at the office.
Tough life. Let's get it. Over there. What? That was insane. That's the most beautiful one. Trucks almost came off. Little booster at the end.
So sick.
Wow. Gary kept up, dude. Gary got the shot on that one. Nope, not a water drop in sight. The rights are cranking.
Yeah.
I like it. How's that plane landing? Oh, it's 7:40 right now. It's
Yeah,
like
7:40.
It's 7:40 and the sun still has that nice warmth to it.
It's
It
burn.
hits different.
What happened to your board, Blair?
We rode it onto the slope over there.
Pretty crip out. Pretty crip.
Gary's just so sad boy up here watching the waves go by.
He's just watching his dream wave go by. The one that he hasn't caught yet.
It's haunting him.
Are you visualizing it up here, Gary?
It's the only thing I can do. I would be.
That's a nice picture.
Not bad, right?
Oh man, look at that. Look at how dreamy that is.
Oh, whoa. Look at that. Wow. It's like a mermaid trail.
Rainbow Way!
Rainbow Road. he's so happy.
Boy, right there.
I don't know if I've ever been so stoked for you in my entire life. You didn't get your hair wet. You
Hair care. Type in the comments if Blair's gonna get the rainbow shot or not. It takes a very high skilled person like me to get a rainbow shot.
Blair!
You know what I said earlier, Tyler? You gotta be a high level, high skilled person.
Wave on me, man. That's not. It's a little weird now.
It's okay, Blair. You don't have to make excuses.
What it is, you gotta dress like a rainbow. Yeah. to catch the rainbow wave. You gotta be the rainbow to taste the rainbow.
Oh, that was like an oddly satisfying.
How insane is this place?
It's not even okay. It's that cool.
I know.
It's like
literally not even okay.
we got problems. Riding a skimboard's not going to be the same anywhere else after this. How's this sunset pool session? What's up? Are we going double? Go, go, go! Yeah, buddy! That's our boy Axel, the wave DJ, riding his own creations. Oh my, surfing nighttime. Oh! What the hell? Hey, can I follow you on this one? You sure? All right. Into the darkness, air into the dark. This is freaking messed up. Look at this, my hands are glowing.
Oh, camera swap.
Time to burn my buddy over here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, last wave of the night. I almost lost my pizza. End tube section really hit me in the stomach hard. Surfed
I was
out.
about to throw up that pizza.
That's what I just said.
Oh, really?
I literally almost lost my pizza on the last one. It looks like you're surfing bioluminescently. Axel! Oh! Wave DJ, dude!
I don't even want to know what time it is.
I don't even know what time it is. I don't know where I am, what we're doing, how we got here.
We definitely don't know where we're going tomorrow.
Or how we're getting there.
But we better hope Gary drives manual.
Hey, if I can catch a rainbow wave, I can drive a manual car.
You got the unicorn wave of your life today.
Dude.
Was that the
First-
only skim wave you caught too?
Yeah. Stand last.
Oh, they're shutting it down.
25 minutes. We need to be out. Otherwise, the police is gonna come.
Okay. Better pack it up, man.
It's okay, I know that. I'll call him off. I'll let him know.
Did they give you that mustache? Honorary member
I
of
am a
police
cop.
force?
I am a German cop, actually.
Axel, you finally got your waves in.
Yeah, finally.
Got some good ones.
That was a good one.
By the light of the night.
The DJ has been cooking.
Thank you guys for the hospitality. That was awesome.
Hmm.
Well, we're gonna need to take those fins out, eh?